Club members, to Ria here, and on this training I want to show you guys how to be able to create your PayPal button link. Please keep in mind this is the button that you're going to use for your capture page if you have joined the boot camp, or you might be using this for your capture page if you're one of our platinum clients. Very important, guys, that you follow this instruction because this is going to help you to be able to pre-sell. Now keep in mind, when you pre-sell with us, we do not keep any of your profits. So you want to create a button that people can go and purchase. We also do not recommend using a PayPal Me or using Cash App or anything like that, because you want to be able to keep track. Now, yes, you can also create a link that can go to a shopping cart if you know how to create your own shopping cart, or if you're using something like Square and you can create a link to that particular product, you can send us that as well. But what we need is a link so that people can actually go to purchase the product. So however you want to create it, it is fine. But for those of you who are not sure how to do so, then you're going to create a PayPal button link. We also do not want a series of like code. So if you send us code, that is the wrong link that we're looking for, or the wrong information to forward from your capture page. We highly recommend that everybody also uses a capture page if you qualified to get one designed. And then once we are done with the pre-selling phase, your capture page will be discontinued, or you can get with our design team to extend it per month. All right, so let's get into this, all right? So this is the new interface of PayPal. It has changed a lot. And what we want to do is we want to create a button, okay? So we're going to go over here to where it says pay and get paid. And under there, it's going to say accept payments. Now, you might actually have to upgrade your account to a business account if you don't see that here. And if you do need to upgrade to a business account, you should see somewhere on the home page or something where you can upgrade to one, okay? It's not hard to do. It's pretty quick. You need to get an EIN, which you can actually get from the IRS. How to get an EIN number right here. You don't need to use any of these add ones. Just go right here to irs.gov and apply for an EIN for your business. It takes a couple of minutes. Now we're going to go here to pay and get paid, and what we want to create is a PayPal button. So now they have all these different buttons that are available. I do not know how to use these. I do not know much about these other ones. You can play with those. However, the button that you need to create for the capture page is going to be a buy now button. Very important. Not any of these other ones. You can use this for your own website and things like that. But we want to create a buy now button. Now, I've not tried these smart buttons, which I'll play around with. But for now, we want to go ahead and create the buy now. I'll see what the smart button does, but start off with the buy now, okay? So we're going to go ahead and click that. Now that we're here, you're going to title the item of your name. I would call it pre-sale for the title of your book. Whatever the book is called, you're going to put that there. We're going to pre-sell the books for $20, and then we're going to add shipping of $4.99, okay? That's all you need to do right here. You don't need to do anything else. Then you're going to go to track inventory. Now, if you want to track your inventory so that you could, like, say your goal is to pre-sell 50 copies, that's what you can do here. So you'll click track inventory. You're going to put item number. You can put item ID. Just put 001 is fine. And then you're going to put 50 in stock. And then maybe you want to be alerted when you're down to 5 left. Okay. So 50 in stock, 5 left. Now, if you're going to track, what you have to do then is to create a link that you can send people to if, like, once you sell out, right? So maybe what you could do is create a quick little video on YouTube. You can create it right from your phone and upload it. Let me just show you. Like, if I go to my YouTube, I'll go to my YouTube channel, and all you can do it right from your phone, record a video, and then maybe you want to upload it, right? So let's use this one right here as an example. Okay, so here's a video that I had shot. And so then you would go ahead and click this share button. You're going to copy this. And then, again, it's just a video. It might be a video like, hey, thank you so much for wanting to pre-order. I actually, you can say something like, I actually have sold out of my pre-ordered goal. But if you want to still grab a copy, I am going to make it available, but you won't be able to be listed in the book. Something like that. Maybe you want to do that and you create a different button for that, okay? So you can track the people who pre-ordered. So I'm going to paste this link in here, and we're going to go ahead. Now, to these advanced features, you can use these as well, right? So, for example, if you want to let the customer send you a message, great. If you want to allow them to change their order quantities. Now, if you do this, this is not going to allow you to create a link. So you're going to have to, if people want to order more than one, then you need to pick up the phone and get their, and like process their card, okay? Because I believe when you do this, it's not going to give you a link. It's only going to give you the HTML code, and we're not doing that for the capture page. Now, you can always, if you want to do this and allow people to change their quantities, that could be something, but you would definitely need to get with our designer and ask them if they can do that as well, okay? Now, shipping address, yes, you definitely need their shipping address. This is why it's important to use this, because if you try to use like a Cash App, it doesn't ask for shipping. If you use PayPal Me, it doesn't ask for shipping, okay? Now, if you want to take your customers, let's say you've got a private Facebook group that you've created, and you want to take them to your private Facebook group after they've purchased. So let's say, for example, I want to send you guys to my Book Profits Club group, right? So I'm going to copy this link, and then when they successfully place their order, I'm going to go ahead and redirect them to go to my whatchamacallit. Now, you could also create a YouTube video, again, just like what I did, upload it to YouTube, get the link, and post it in here, okay? So now we're going to go ahead and click on Create Button. So now, what happens is the first thing they're going to send you is this code. This is what we do not want, okay? We don't want the code, all right? We want where it says email, we want you to click on here, and it needs to be this link. So your link should say something like paypal.com/CGIBin/WebSCR. If it has anything else in this prefix, I know that you didn't do that. You didn't follow these particular instructions, or you used a different button. We need you to use this particular button. Very, very important, guys. So then you're going to copy this, and then this is what you actually go into Monday and you paste it in Monday. So you're going to copy this code and paste it. Now, what you can do as well, just in case you don't know, you can go to your button. You can go back, say you need to make some updates, like you put the wrong price. So as you can see, you can go to your saved buttons. By the way, let me go here, pay and get paid. I'm going to go to pay and get paid, just in case you don't know how to get there. We're going to click PayPal buttons. And we want to find our saved buttons. So right here where it says view your saved buttons, you're going to click there. And then this is the button that we want to edit. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here, click the down arrow and click edit, or under action, just click edit. And you're able to go in here and make your updates. You can change the shipping if you need to. If you want to change, you know, again, if you customize your button, if you do any of this right here, it's not going to create a link. So you can only do exactly what I showed, right? If you want to maybe change this to, I like to just use my secure merchant account. But maybe you want to change the number of pre-sales. You can go in here, okay? So let's say I want to change that from 50 to 75. I'm going to go ahead and click Save Changes. And then again, this link. Now this link should not change. So as long as you make the updates and you save it, this link should still be the same. So your designer does not need to update anything, okay? So that is how you create a PayPal button. Hopefully this has helped you, and I look forward to hearing about your pre-sales. Make sure to share in the Facebook Book Profits Club group that you share with us how your pre-sales are going. All right, guys? That's it for now.